Buying your first home is an exciting milestone, but it's important to remember that there are costs beyond the initial purchase price of your home. Let's explore some expenses and considerations you'll need to keep in mind when buying your next home. Let's start with property taxes. Many first-time buyers overlook this significant expense. Property taxes are assessed by local governments based on property value, and rates can vary depending on the location. Researching property tax rates in your desired area and factoring them into your budget is crucial to avoid financial strain. Next, we have homeowners insurance. This coverage protects your property and belongings from damage or loss due to various factors. The cost of homeowners insurance varies based on location, property value, and coverage options. Obtain multiple insurance quotes, compare coverage options, and budget for this ongoing expense to safeguard your investment. Another example of an additional cost is taking responsibility for maintenance and repairs. Unlike renting, where landlords typically cover these costs, homeowners must set aside funds for routine maintenance tasks like landscaping, HVAC system upkeep, and cleaning. Unexpected repairs can also arise, such as plumbing issues or roof leaks, requiring immediate attention and financial resources. Creating an emergency fund specifically for home repairs is crucial. An additional cost could also occur if you're considering a property in a community with a homeowners association, or HOA. Many of these communities require a monthly or yearly HOA fee. These fees cover communal amenities, maintenance, and shared expenses. HOA fees can vary significantly depending on the neighborhood and amenities provided. Research and understand these fees and any associated regulations or restrictions. Have you thought about how much it could cost to heat your home, cool your home, or have the city remove your trash? Families that are transitioning from renting to home ownership often underestimate the cost of utilities and services. Homeowners are responsible for monthly bills like electricity, water, gas, trash collection, and internet cable services. It's essential to consider these ongoing expenses and factor them into your budget to avoid unexpected financial strain. As a homeowner, you may have plans for home improvements and upgrades. Whether it's renovating the kitchen, updating the bathrooms, or enhancing curb appeal, these projects come with costs. Prioritize and budget for these expenses, considering both immediate needs and long-term plans. Before purchasing a home, conducting assessments and inspections is recommended. These can include appraisals, home inspections, and termite inspections. While these expenses are incurred up front, they are necessary to ensure the property's value and identify potential issues that may require repairs or negotiations with the seller, and in the end, could save you thousands. Aspiring first-time homeowners, remember to go beyond the excitement of buying a house. Carefully consider the hidden costs associated with homeownership. By understanding and budgeting for expenses like property taxes, insurance, maintenance, HOA fees, utilities, home improvements, and assessments, you can make informed financial decisions and avoid unexpected burdens. Proper planning and awareness of these hidden costs will contribute to a more successful and sustainable homeownership experience.